Here we are with an unboxing of the Sony Ericsson Xperia Arc S. This is the new improved Xperia Arc. Key differences include a faster processor, 1.4 GHz as opposed to the original 1 GHz. We've also got 3D sweep panorama technology, which allows you to take essentially pictures that come out at you on the screen when you connect up to a 3D display. We've got better Sony Ericsson software and entertainment services, faster camera startup time, improved standby time and faster web page rendering. So a few nice improvements to make the Arc that little bit better, and in doing so they've rebadged it as the Arc S. So this is the UK spec retail model, otherwise known as the LT18i, and this is in midnight blue. So we've got the sort of familiar Sony Ericsson packaging. Just like the original Arc, we've got Bravia engine technology, X more R. We've now got this new 3D sweep technology. We've also got the 1.4 GHz processor, that's one of the improvements. We've got the 4.2 inch display, 3.5mm headphone jack, 8.1 megapixel camera that does record in HD. We've then got Wi-Fi up to the new N standard. We've got DLNA, HDMI out. So you've got it all on the Xperia Arc. One of the really nice things about this device is that it is nice and slim. It might not have the processing power of the likes of the Galaxy S2 or the Sensation, but it's a great device. So there it is. We'll come back to that in a moment. Let's have a look at what you get in the box. So here you get the 1500 mAh battery, the BA750. You get a 3-pin UK mains adapter with USB ports, so into here you connect your USB cable and charge the device in a socket. You've got a set of in-ear stereo headphones with inline microphone, connects to the 3.5mm headphone jack on the device. We've then got a micro USB sync and charge cable, so you can use this to connect to the mains adapter to charge the Xperia Arc, or use it to connect your device to the PC. We then have a HDMI cable supplied, so full HDMI connection at one end and a micro HDMI connection at the other, so this allows you to share content from your Xperia on a larger HD display if you can't use DLNA technology. We've then got some documentation, so my first hour, important warranty information and declarations of conformity. We then have a screen protector provided in the box as well. That's a nice add-on feature for protecting your screen, and I can also say, from having used the original Xperia Arc for 6 months now, I haven't had to change the screen protector, which is excellent. So coming back to the device itself, here it is. We've got the 4.2 inch touchscreen display, we've got light sensors and what have you at the top here. We've got 3 physical buttons, the menu, home and back button. We've got the Xperia branding. On the bottom we've got a lanyard strap, we've got the recess for removing the back cover, microphone. On the side we've got the camera button, got the volume rocker button up and down here. We've got the charging micro USB port. We've also got an LED notification light here as well. On the top we've got the HDMI out for connecting that supplied cable to. We'll then have the power button. On the other side we've got the 3.5mm headphone jack, and here you can see the Xperia Arc's design. You get the contour here, looks and feels like it's curved. Then on the back, apart from the apparent branding, we've got an 8.1 megapixel camera with an LED flash, complete with autofocus and HD video recording. Under the back cover we do have a SIM card slot and a micro SD provided in the box. That's 8 GB in capacity, but you can of course change that for cards up to 32 GB in capacity. So that's the Sony Ericsson Xperia Arc S, and I'll just very quickly bring in, just to show you the difference, this is an Xperia Arc, not the S, this is the S, this is the Arc. Can't see any differences there, can you? So their hardware is identical with the exception of the onboard processor and some of the other improvements. We'll be back in another video to show you the software.